With the change in the airway, the evolutionary adaptation between the skull and the spinal cord, the tongue and surrounding tissues got integrated with the front wall of the windpipe. So, in we, the humans, the bipedals who sleep on our back, the gravitational fallback of the tongue increase the tendency of upper airway collapse during our sleep, leading to the annoying phenomenon called snoring, also known as obstructive sleep apnea, which can actually cause a great harm to our body and mind, including sometimes loss of life. Tomorrow we talk about how to prevent it or cure it. Keep breathing.